Hey there, YouTube. This is PrivateCitizen. I just wanted to give an update on what's going on with my tractor. It's been 2 weeks and I believe 2 days since Central Jersey Equipment came and picked it up. And as you can see, there's still an empty space in here where my baby used to sit. I figure since it's not here, I can at least keep the implements inside. So I did give him a call today. I talked to someone in the service department, and he said that it was an issue with the Rockshaft, that they had to order the parts because they are going to replace the whole the whole Rockshaft control valve, and that they expect to have it back to me by the middle of next week, which I guess that would be about somewhere around the 3rd of June. Yeah, so I guess I'm not too excited about, how long it's taking. And of course my wife is not too excited about the fact that her grass slash weeds is getting long out there. The dandelions are taking over. So anybody has any good advice on how to take care of a lawn, especially when some of it looks like it needs a little bit more topsoil. Like I have a lot of sandy soil out there. So that's what I'm trying to work on. I worked on stuff in the house first, and now I'm trying to get the outside looking somewhat neat. But I just want to give everyone an update as to what's going on, and then I'll probably do another test when it comes back, just like I did before, to make sure everything's working okay. That's about it. All right, so everybody have a happy Memorial Day, and as it is Memorial Day, please remember all the troops, soldiers who gave their lives, sacrifice, injuries, paralyzed, the post-traumatic stress disorders, everything, all that they gave for this country so that we can have the freedoms that we have. I mean, I do admit, as a country, we still got a ways to go, but I just want to say thank you to everyone who sacrificed to make this a better place. Okay, thank you.